Some cars are built merely to drive on roads, and then there are those built to rule them. Welcome back to XAX Auto. Today, we are coming face to face with a machine that shatters every boundary of luxury and design. This isn't just a vehicle. It is the ultimate manifestation of power, wealth, and absolute perfection. Emerging from the shadows, we present to you the untouchable, the Mercedes Maybach S900. When you stand dead center and look at this masterpiece from a straight front view, its aura is genuinely intimidating. It stares back at you like a hyper-futuristic boss. The massive, oversized signature Maybach chrome grille resembles the gates of an impenetrable fortress, bold, aggressive, and utterly dominating. Resting just above it is the glowing Maybach typography and the iconic Mercedes star standing proud on the hood, projecting a legacy that no other brand can rival. Look closely at those headlights. These are not standard lamps. They are laser-sharp daytime running lights that pierce through the darkness like the eyes of an apex predator. The lower bumper is aggressively low and aerodynamic, designed not just to cut through the air, but to bend the elements to its will. The silver chrome detailing against that deep, dark maroon paint creates a visual contrast that burns into your memory. From the front, it is a pure statement. When this arrives, everything else must make way. As the camera glides into a slow-motion side-front view, the sheer, monstrous scale of this vehicle finally hits you. The incredibly long, sweeping hood amplifies its regal presence. From this angle, you can truly appreciate the flow of the fenders and its aerodynamic mastery. There is nothing boxy about the S900. It features a liquid, seamless flow, as if the metal was melted and sculpted perfectly by the wind itself. Your eyes are immediately drawn to those massive, multi-spoke turbine alloy wheels. These are a Maybach hallmark. In motion, they create a hypnotizing, cinematic effect. Framed by perfectly sculpted wheel arches and a menacingly low stance, the car looks like a hyper-luxury sports coupe ready to strike. The character lines stretch from the front to the rear like an endless wave, keeping the car visually glued to the tarmac. Whether a king is arriving or departing, their presence is always known. Transitioning to the straight-back view, the rear of the S900 is just as imposing as its front. Just look at the sheer width of it. It looks incredibly planted, exuding an unshakable balance. Spanning across the entire rear is a sleek, continuous LED taillight bar. When this ignites in the dark, it casts a deep, futuristic neon glow that completely transforms the atmosphere. The boot lid is kept elegantly minimalist, adorned only with the Maybach badging and logo. Down below, the aggressive rear diffuser and massive chrome exhaust tips hint at the monstrous power plant hiding beneath the hood, an engine capable of leaving supercars in the dust. Viewed straight from the back, it looks less like a sedan and more like a grounded spaceship. If you are looking for the most striking, breathtaking angle of this entire vehicle, it has to be the side-back view. This is where the mesmerizing fastback design is put on full display. The roofline begins its ascent at the front and then slopes down incredibly smoothly, merging into the trunk without a single harsh edge. It gives this massive vehicle the sleek, aerodynamic profile of a coupe. Notice the illuminated Maybach logo gracefully positioned on the C-pillar. It is these minute, obsessive details that separate it from the rest of the world. The chrome accents outlining the side windows and the flush door handles prove that aerodynamics have been pushed to absolute perfection. Imagine this car gliding through a rain-soaked city street at night. The reflections bouncing off the dark, wet metallic paint from this side-back angle look like a scene pulled straight out of a high-budget tech-noir film. Let's rise above the tarmac. A top-down drone shot reveals the entire canvas of the S900, and from the sky, its footprint rivals that of a luxury yacht. Its massive length and width form a perfect, symmetrical masterpiece. From above, the sweeping panoramic glass roof takes center stage. It's a single continuous stretch of heavily tinted black glass that seamlessly blends with a dark maroon body. This roof is engineered to bathe the interior in an open-air, cinematic glow while maintaining complete privacy. This top-down perspective highlights the flawless proportions between the engine bay and the passenger cabin. It is a land yacht, engineered to fly not on runways, but on the VIP streets of the world. The exterior was merely a trailer. The real masterpiece reveals itself once those heavy doors swing open. Stepping into the interior view feels like boarding a 7-star private jet. Plastic does not exist here, only the highest-grade Napa leather, intricate carbon fiber, brushed aluminum, and deep piano black finishes. The dashboard has been wiped clean of physical buttons, replaced by a massive edge-to-edge hyperscreen that displays every detail in stunning 8K resolution. The steering wheel takes on a futuristic two-spoke yoke design. The moment you grip it, you feel in absolute control of your universe. But the true Maybach experience isn't found in the driver's seat, it's in the rear. The back cabin is an exclusive VIP lounge featuring reclining captain's chairs equipped with heating, cooling, and hot stone massages. Between them sits a chilled champagne cooler with silver flutes. The dynamic ambient lighting shifts the entire mood of the cabin at your command. When you sit back in these seats, insulated from the chaos of the outside world in this soundproof, tech-laden sanctuary, everything else feels insignificant. This is not just a car interior. It is your own private haven of silence and absolute luxury. Cinematic outro. The Mercedes-Maybach S900 concept proves that in the realm of automotive engineering, imagination has no limits. Every single angle, every flowing line, and every detail tells a story of dominance. It is not just a symbol of wealth, it is the ultimate expression of taste, power, and the future. Which view of the S900 is your favorite? Let me know down in the comments. And if you want to see more mind-blowing, dark, and premium automotive cinematics, make sure you are subscribed to XAX Auto. We will see you in the next video with another absolute monster. Until then, keep dreaming and keep driving.